Arweave has been doing great since it initially became public. From its progressive plan to store the historical backdrop of humanity forever, the innovation of information stockpiling backing it up additionally impacted many individuals overall in its desires. The weighty gathering of Arweave tokens this year likewise proposes that the confidence in this thought will make long-haul impacts. This is additionally underscored in light of the fact that it at present holds the position of number 80 in the top digital forms of money on the planet. In any case, is the colossal unpredictability it has been going through for the beyond 2 months a great opportunity for going bullish pattern on our token? We should figure out the drawn-out Arweave cost expectation and dive deeper into the organization. The individuals who win wars can rework history. Not so with Arweave convention. This new innovation plans to give super durable stockpiling answers for its clients while utilizing the decentralized engineering to wipe out the gamble of cancellation. By coordinating individuals who need to store information with the people who have extra room, it makes a supportable organization for data protection. This data will use blockchain innovation and use permob at the center of its design. What is Arweave coin? The authority site of Arweave organization says that a convention permits a client to store information forever, economically with a solitary forthright expense. Utilizing a decentralized organization, it works like how Uber interfaces drivers with individuals who need transport. The Arweave convention basically coordinates individuals who need to store their information forever with people or associations with some free hard drive space. The Arweave convention makes a permob structure like a worldwide, long-lasting snare of pages and applications put away endlessly. The permob is kept up with by its local area individuals, who can contribute or get compensated for support. The permob isn't different when contrasted in the standard web. All of the substance on permob, from pictures to message, is extremely durable, recovered rapidly, and decentralized for eternity. The organization involves R tokens for its administration, and it is totally local area claimed. It likewise works as an open source organization. The people group has fabricated a total arrangement of extensive devices and administrations that empowers a client to send off totally decentralized administrations on top of the permob. Current market status of Arweave. The cryptographic money market is very hopeful about the fate of Arweave coin. It offers a completely new information stockpiling component for clients like activists and columnists. The capacity is practical, and the straightforward financial matters permits clients to propagate the replication of data for eternity. To figure out the financial matters of Arweave, expect that when a few information is added to its organization, the client pays a chief sum in R, on which premium as stockpiling buying power is gathered. Over the long haul, the interest on this one-time installment is given to those clients who aggregately possessed hard drive for putting away the information and hence create a few gains by adding to the organization. It additionally includes content balance since the expected maltreatment of the permob will, no doubt, make the framework fizzle at the point when the client presents an exchange to its organization. The Arweave information storers decide to reproduce the related information. On the off chance that the storers accept that the substance shouldn't have been copied in light of the fact that it very well may be improper, they can deny the solicitation. Clients can likewise present a solicitation on their site in the event that they find any improper substance found on the permol. Arweave specialized investigation. Starting from the start of the last year, the value activity of Arweave denoted a critical bull run. Be that as it may, these cost levels were not supported over the course of the following couple of months as the R cost slowly declined in a descending pattern. This continuous decay took the ongoing cost of Arweave cryptographic money underneath its 50 days moving normal today. The cost of Arweave began a bull pursue weighty crypto market support in August 2021, sending the cost in excess of 400% upwards. This expanded the instability, and the Arweave R cost remained profoundly unstable till the finish of the last year. The gathering dissemination marker shows no critical aggregation at this point. However, it ought to be noticed that a large portion of the extension occurred in the primary quarter of the last year. Thus, contrasted with the general value development of the last year, the ongoing aggregation isn't simply enormous. The Bollinger Group's examination shows that high instability was experienced from the start of the last August till December 2021. In the main quarter of the last year, the Arweave R cost was exchanging sideways, and titanic market cooperation pushed the cost upwards, making an improving crypto market from January to April with its cost changes. From that point forward, the R cost shot upwards again on high unpredictability was in August, when the RSI marker began making an overbought signal. It ought to be perceived that the overall strength record is best utilized in a sideways moving Arweave digital currency market, so it is as yet extreme to say whether the cost will stay stable for quite a while. The ongoing RSI level doesn't show any oversold or overbought signals, so for now it is judicious to pause. It will be a superior technique to long or short in light of the opposition level for the Arweave. The opposition level is $35 and the help level is $31. As per our cost guess, it is anticipated that the Arweave cost will reach $94.59 in the following year. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 709.33%. Your current $100 speculation might depend on $809.33 in 2027 according to the projection of Wallet Financial Backer Specialists. According to our cost expectation, the Arweave cost is anticipated to reach $36.43 by the start of January 2023. The normal most extreme cost is $45.54. The base cost is $30.97. As per the most recent long-haul R cost gauge, the Arweave cost will hit $172.20 toward the finish of 2022 and $405.94 toward the finish of 2023. In view of the R value expectation and estimate framework, the cost rise anticipated for Arweave will reach $252.95 toward the finish of 2026. Arweave Value Forecast 2022. The ongoing cost of our crypto is exchanging around $33. According to our cost figure, the Arweave cryptographic money is anticipated to arrive at least degree of $42. In view of the cost expectations, the Arweave cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $45. The cost expectation 2022 says that the typical cost all through the year will exchange around $43. Right now, the help level is around $31. In the event that the development keeps on being something very similar, putting would be useful over the long haul. Arweave Value Forecast 2023. In view of our cost expectation and our own examination, the cost of Arweave is gauged to arrive at any rate value worth of $48 with a most extreme cost of $57 in the year 2023. The Arweave figure predicts the typical cost all through the year is supposed to exchange close $53. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. According to the information forecast models and Arweave R cost expectation, the base value level of Arweave will be $60. The most extreme cost will be $68 with a typical exchanging cost of around $65 all through 2024. Arweave Value Forecast 2025. As indicated by the specialized investigation and our cost expectation for the year 2025, the base cost of Arweave will be $65 and the greatest value level will be $80. According to the Arweave estimate, the typical cost will exchange around $74 in 2025. Putting resources into this coin according to this cost would be gainful for the financial backers in the year 2025. Arweave Value Expectation 2026. The drawn-out cost expectation model shows that the base cost of R is supposed to be $70. The greatest cost of R will be $89 while keeping up with the typical cost of $83 exchanging the year 2026, which will be exceptionally high from the ongoing cost. With this greatest cost, there is dependably an opportunity of productive gets back from a wise venture. Is Arweave a wise speculation? According to our speculation council, Arweave is a wise venture choice. In any case, the profoundly unstable nature of the digital